today's question is from Robin. So,
Robin, thanks so much for giving your question. We are super excited about it.
we are actually. This is one of the other questions we get often, and that's she wants to buy a bedside table lamp, but she's not sure about the height and the color globes and things like that. So, I think we'll start maybe with the globes.
Okay, so I think it really depends on what you want to use it for. If you are a regular reader and you love reading in bed, I would say go for a globe that has a bit more of a wider tone in it. So a warm white is a really good one in a bedroom. So it's bright enough, but it also gives it a little bit of a warm feel to it. But on the other hand, if you really just want to create that beautiful, moody, kind of soft, romantic tones, then go for a much more warmer globe.
So more yellowish.
Kind of more, a yellow undertoned globe.
And I think it will depend on the color shade that she's going to get as well. So the shades will also change the color of the globes.
Yeah.
So again, for reading, try and get a wider color shade. Also, just be careful of your wall color. So if you get a white lamp with white shade and your wall's white, you're hardly going to see the lamps.
Yeah.
So if you want to make a statement with your bedside lamps, always make sure that the color is contrasting to your wall. So it actually stands out from your wall as more of a focal point. Bigger the better. So reading, you'll probably want the light at least here with your shoulder length when you sit up in your bed.
And also in kind of the same size or similar height than your headboard behind you. So make sure that it doesn't, it's not too small or not higher than your headboard.
Yeah.
So that looks
out of proportion. Yeah. So basically, bedside table lamps frames your bed.
Yeah.
If you do not have a headboard, think of about 60 centimeters, which is normally in your European pillow size, from your mattress up. So I wouldn't go anything smaller than that, especially for a main master bedroom.
Yeah.
And just see those in proportion of the bedside table as well. You don't want the lamps sticking out over the sides of your bedside table. And if you have a massive one, you don't want it to here either. So try and get the balance right.
Yeah, and the base, if you have a small bedside table, a glass base is great because it actually doesn't it doesn't look as if it fills the whole top of your bedside table. But if you have a bedside table that's nice and spacious, go for something with, a bit more drama, ceramic base. So when you put it on, there's still enough space around it, and it seems in proportion.
Yeah. So we hope that helps. Send us the photo of your bedside table lamp.
Yeah.
We'd like to see that.
Happy hunting.
Yes.
Bye.
Thanks for joining our Q&A Mondays. We really hope you've learned something.
We're super passionate about helping people with any questions that they might have regarding styling for sale or decorating their own homes, themselves, DIY styling.
So post your questions below or email us at info@homeimprovementtraining.com and we'll be so happy to answer any questions you have.
That's right. Looking forward to it.
See you soon.
Bye.